In this tutorial I will show you how to make logo mockup in Adobe Photoshop. Press Ctrl to select the area. Press Ctrl C to make a copy. Create a new layer. Go to Filter and choose Vanishing Point. Select the area. Press Ctrl V Paste. Adjust the image. Follow the process. Press OK. Change the blending option to multiply. Right-click and choose Blending option. Alt-press Move. Follow the process. Press OK. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials. I have just completed 2,000 subscribers. I am thankful for my YouTube family. Thank you for being on this journey with me. Much love. N.A Graphic Design.